I am no Kelly Stamps, but I do make money. And I'm going to tell you how I made an extra $4,000 in my first 3 months with Avon. Okay? First of all, I researched. When I decided to join direct sales company, I did my research. Avon's been in business for over 130 years. In fact, this year, it's 135 years. Okay? So they're stable. Their products are proven. Most of the time, you don't need a catalog or a brochure to show people because people know what they like. So you don't have to sell it. You just share it. Share the Avon opportunity, share Avon products, and people know what they like and what they want. So that was the first thing. The second thing is that I joined Avon for free. At that time, Avon is free. In fact, it's still free today, but it is for a limited time. So I had no upfront investment in the very beginning. They gave me a website. So I had a full on-powered e-commerce website right from the get-go. And I have no monthly fees. I don't pay for processing fees or anything of the such. So it's free to operate. So that was a win. So I joined for free. I joined a proven company. That was my first two steps. The third thing is that Avon has a program for the first 8 campaigns for new representatives. Now, for those of you who don't know, a campaign is 2 weeks. So 8 campaigns is roughly 4 months. All right. So I was going to take advantage of that because they had bonuses with that. So their bonus structure was within a campaign, for every $200, you got a $20 stepping stone bonus. Okay, so if within that campaign, if you ordered 200, you got $20. If you ordered 600, you got $60. So for every 200, you got 20. And that included online sales or what I ordered for my customers or I ordered for myself. So that was pretty sweet. Collectively, from one campaign to the next, they have milestone bonuses. So when you hit $1,000, you received $100, 10%. When I reached $2,000, I got $200. When I got $5,000, I got $500. That's right, $500. Now that's where it is the 5,000 mark, because that's when you become premier. And the difference between, in the very beginning, when you're labeled as a contender and a premier is the commission. You know, in the very beginning, you get 25% commission with a $40 minimum order. When you reach premier, you get 30% and there is no minimum order. So that's pretty sweet. So between the milestone bonuses and the stepping stone bonuses, you can earn, let me do my cheat sheet, $2,000. $2,000. Okay. So then, and on the products that was sold and purchased during that time, I received a 25% commission. That's right. So those bonuses were in addition to my commission. Okay. So I received $1,250 in commission. So now I'm up to $3,250. Okay. So, but I didn't stop there. Avon also has a leadership path. And I quickly saw how I can create additional income that way. So I gathered up some friends, had them join for free, and collectively we had $1,000 in orders. When I became a bronze ambassador, which is one of the first levels of leadership, I received a $500 bonus. So that was pretty sweet. So now I'm up to $3,750. Now I reached that $5,000 at premier status before my 8 campaigns. Okay. So within that 3 months, I did another 900 almost $950, which gave me about $285 in additional commissions, which brought me a little over $4,000 in 3 months. But I'll tell you another secret. Right after that, I made the next level of leadership, which is Silver Ambassador, and I got a $750 bonus. So actually, I almost did almost got $5,000. So that's how I did it. So, and how did I sell all that? Okay, because you're like, wow, that's a lot. Well, first of all, I became my first customer. When I decided to go into business, I had to become my first customer. So I looked around my house. What toothpaste do I use? What shampoo do I use? What's in my medicine cabinet? Do I need some antibiotic ointment? Do I need any arthritis cream? I'm getting older. Do I need dish soap in my kitchen? Do I need some more laundry detergents? Stain remover for my clothes? There was a lot of things that I normally buy at the big box store that now I can buy from me. So I started replacing everything in my house. Okay, so I became my number one customer. And then I went to my parents and to my siblings. And I said, okay, guys, it's time to turn your house into an Avon house. So they started doing it. And then I went to my best friend and I did the exact same thing. So I really worked my warm market. And then I created a blog online, which is Primetime Beauty News. And now I'm addressing my cold market. I'm still building my team. I now have a team over 50 reps. So it's insane. It's crazy. But so you see, I'm no Kelly Stamps, but I do make money with Avon. And you can too. So, message me, join my team. Let's do it together. Okay? So I'll talk to you soon. If you got any questions, send me a message. Bye.